Want to know how to spot an Aries? Look for those bold risk takers who lead with confidence, initiate new projects, and thrive in the spotlight. Stay tuned because today we're diving into Aries energy, or what I like to call your Aries aura. And yes, everyone has Aries somewhere in their birth chart. So let's go over, what does Aries energy rule? Aries is all about action, courage, and initiation. As the first sign of the zodiac, and Aries always likes to be first, it symbolizes new beginnings and a fearless approach to life's challenges. Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action, drive, competition, aggression, and war. Mars fuels Aries' assertiveness and passion for leadership. Aries is a fire sign and a masculine sign, since all fire signs carry masculine energy. Fire signs are known for their spirited and passionate nature, and Aries, as the first fire sign, I picture them as the first sparks on a lit fuse, waiting for them to pop off. Moving on to modalities, Aries is a cardinal sign. Cardinal signs are the pioneers of the zodiac, the people that put their ideas into action. Aries energy, being a cardinal sign, is about initiating change, setting things into motion, and leading the charge. Aries rules over the head, including the brain, eyes, and face, reflecting its headstrong nature and leadership qualities. Think about the phrase, diving in head first, something an Aries is likely to do. And speaking of headstrong, the symbol for Aries is the ram. Like a ram, Aries is not afraid of confrontation, and they charge forward fearlessly. Finally, Aries, as the sign of firsts, rules over the spring equinox, sparking life back into action after the cold, static months of winter. For many people, the start of Aries season is the true start of the new year, as nature experiences its springtime rebirth. So how does Aries energy show up in your life? It's the spark that drives you to take bold action, embrace challenges, and lead with confidence. In your life, it may show up as areas where you can start new projects, lead with initiative, or face competition head on. Even if Aries isn't your sun sign, its energy is present somewhere in your birth chart. What house in your natal chart is ruled by Aries? And do you have any planets in that house? That's where this bold energy may manifest, like in your career if it's in the 10th house, your family life if it's in the 4th house, or your relationships if it's in the 7th house. You might also want to check where Mars is in your chart to see another area where you can channel this Aries energy. Now that we've explored what Aries rules, let's look at some real-world examples of Aries energy in action. These figures embody the bold, fearless spirit of Aries. Some well-known Aries sons are Lady Gaga. Her fearless artistry and boundary-pushing performances scream Aries energy. Sha'Carri Richardson. Her electrifying speed and tenacious spirit on the track perfectly capture Aries' competitive and fearless nature. Celine Dion. Her powerful voice and relentless drive showcase the confidence and dynamism of Aries. And again, you do not need to have an Aries sun to embody this Aries energy. Some well-known people have Aries stelliums, which means they have multiple Aries placements in their birth charts. That includes Rihanna, with her trailblazing career and unapologetic attitude, reflecting the boldness and leadership qualities of Aries. And Angelina Jolie. Her bold humanitarian efforts and commanding presence, both on and off screen, exemplify the passionate and courageous spirit of Aries. These individuals show us what's possible when we harness Aries energy by taking risks, leading with confidence, and making a bold impact. So if you're feeling stuck or lacking direction, more Aries energy may be the jumpstart you need. Channeling Aries energy can help you boost your confidence, take decisive action, and lead with courage in your personal and professional life. So stay tuned for future videos where I'll share practical ways to boost your Aries energy and bring more boldness into your daily life. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. And if you enjoyed this video and want to support this channel, you know what to do. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye.